So how do we connect our PlayStation 5 controller here, as you can see, to our Nintendo Switch 2? So the first thing you need to do is that you're going to have your Nintendo Switch 2 docked like this. So you need to bring out the dock, and then you need to connect an HDMI cable into the dock at the back here. You might need to remove this cover, by the way. There's going to be like a thing here that you need to slide, and then you will be able to see these two options here. One is for the HDMI cable, and the other end of the HDMI needs to go to your monitor or TV. And then the power cable here obviously needs to go in here and then to a power outlet. And then what you need to do after that, because you will see this USB here. I don't know, hopefully you can see it okay. There's two USB holes right here. And for that one, what you need to use is one of those 8-bit 2 adapter 2 here, as you can see. So this right here works like magic. It's gonna help us to be able to recognize our PlayStation 5 controller on our Nintendo Switch 2. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So if I just remove it like this, you have to remove this cover. I'm just gonna show you. So basically remove it and then place the adapter in here. So perfect. You can see it's gonna blink blue here, but you need to click one time like this, or just click and hold until you can see it's gonna blink really rapidly here now. So perfect, now it's in pairing mode. Then also enter pairing mode on your PlayStation 5 controller by clicking on this button together with the PlayStation logo. Just click and hold, and you can see now when it blinks like this, it's going to now connect to it. So you can see, now I'm able to use this controller here, my PlayStation 5 controller, without any problems whatsoever on my Nintendo Switch here, as you can see. And by the way, if you want to be able to get the adapter, I have actually linked a link to it down below here. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase from it, but at no extra cost to you. It's just if you want to be able to support my channel, that would be awesome.